Okay, hello guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Trust you all are going fine. You're welcome back to our channel. And today is the day 41 of our exam work hour. That means we have just 9 days to go. Wow, I'm very, very excited. I don't know if you are. So that means you've learned different things for the past 40 days. Where we've been learning different functions, some Excel weavings, and some other things. I'm very, very happy, honestly. So without wasting much of our time, what are we learning today? In today's class, we are going to be learning something that was, how will I say it? It looks like what? Like a general name to what? Some of the functions we might have learned before in our class. What's that? It's called aggregate function. What do you mean by aggregate function? We see, whenever we are talking about aggregate function, aggregate function, it actually has what? Some function under it. Like it's just like a general name to the functions like count, sum, average, max, mean. Just like what we are just all our data sets, we are representing with just a value. Like what do I mean? Okay, like if you want to look for the average now, that means all our data we are what representing what with only its value show the average value. Like sum now, we are adding everything to get what our sum. Like the max also, we are what checking everything to give us what just the maximum value. Like the mean, we are checking everything to give us what just the minimum value. So that's how our aggregate function works. That's how it works. And how do I mean? How do you now use our aggregate function now? Our aggregate function, it gives us the opportunity to select the type of average we need. Exactly. Without wasting much of our time, let's get started. But before we go, in case you are just joining us, you are welcome to this YouTube channel. My name is Kobi ACG. I'm data analyst and I'm also a data analysis trainer. So we've embarked on this class since August 1st, if I'm not making mistake. Yes, we've learned a lot of functions. Yes, different functions. We've also used some of these tools here. Also, some of these things we've used them exactly. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started to this class. Now I want to use the aggregate function. Just say equals to aggregates. Now you can see it now, like what I was saying, you can see average, count A, max, mean, product, that means multiplication, standard deviation, sum, addition, variance of sample, standard deviation of sample, standard deviation of population. So they are just like a statistic term, exactly. Whenever you're talking about sample, that means we are just taking some part of the whole. Whenever you're talking population, that means we are using everything. For example, now let me say if I want to say, okay, I want to take the survey of Nigeria. If I'm using, I can say I want to use just 5 states like Lagos, Kaduna, Imo states, let me say Osun State, and let me say probably Kano. Exactly. That is just 5 states out of what all the states I'm having in Nigeria. So that's like what a sample. Exactly. But if I'm talking about population, I mean I want to count all the whole citizens of Nigeria. This is clear. So sample is you are taking with part of a whole, while population you are using everything together. Then I have the sum, I have the variance of sample, variance of population, median, mode. You can see it large, small. This large and small is just like what dealing with it, just close to what our mean and max also. Then we have the percentile, we have the quartile, we have the so without wasting much of our time, we just use just 3 or 4 of this function. Exactly. So first I want to look for what my average. Exactly. I'll just use this comma. Then it's asking me ignore nested subtotal and what aggregate function. Like what I think what is asking is that what like should okay, if I want to do everything, it's going to give me what, the subtotal. So it's not asking me should we ignore it. That means do I want it to include it in part of my calculation? I don't want that, so I'll just say what is zero. No, sorry. I want comma, then what? Yes, is zero this, comma. Now the next thing is the array. This is the array of my cell, right? The array of my what? Data. So just close it and enter. So the average value is 28.6436. Exactly. Now let's look for the max equals to aggregates. Now we are looking for the max this time around, comma, then ignore, then what again? What is our array? This is our array. You can see it. So the maximum value I'm having is 35. Now let me check my minimum. Equals to aggregates mean. This. Oh, sorry. The comma is not there. Zero, comma. Not array. So the minimum value is 23. So these are how to use what our aggregate function. I believe we've learned something today. And also some of the things you can also learn is that you can also use it to know, okay, these are, that means whenever you're talking about aggregate functions, these are the functions you are talking about. You can see it. It also serves as like what, a dictionary, or here's a dictionary for you. So, or let me just say a quick, how do I call it, a cheat sheet also for it. What, no, okay, these are the words. Whenever you're talking about aggregate function, these are the functions we're talking about. So everything you are seeing here, I want to know as our aggregate function. Exactly. So thanks for watching, everyone. I believe you've learned something new today. We are going to be meeting in our next class, the same on the same channel, so the same time. Yes, yes, the same time. So thanks for watching, and please make sure you like, comment, and share these videos, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that as we uploading what new videos, we keep getting what notification. Thank you very much for watching today's class. We are going to be meeting in our class tomorrow. Do have a nice day. Bye.